Wink and Wink is a bankruptcy law firm. We specialize in personal and small business bankruptcies, and it's run by my husband and I, so it's a small, family-owned law firm.
Our typical client is in financial distress, and they have bills they can't pay. There's a lot of reasons, such as divorce, or job loss, or illness, or simply they just have taken on more debt than they can manage.
I would like to say to people considering bankruptcy, bankruptcy is not a four-letter word. Debt is. And the reason we say that at Wink and Wink is that there's a certain stigma that people feel surrounding the issue of bankruptcy. And what we want to empower our clients to do is to reject that stigma, because bankruptcy is your historical, long-standing legal right. It's been around as long as America has. You're in good company when you file for bankruptcy. 3 of our past presidents have filed for bankruptcy. Numerous esteemed and successful business people have filed for bankruptcy and used it as a means to get a fresh start and go on to be quite successful. So bankruptcy is your legal right, and there's nothing wrong with it.
At Wink and Wink, we certainly work very hard to provide top-notch legal services. But I think what sets us apart is our commitment to the personal support. And when you become a client of Wink and Wink, you have access, direct access, not just to your attorney, but to the principals of the law firm. And you will have our mobile phone numbers. You can contact us for any reason.
I was drawn to bankruptcy law and the law in general for the basic idea of justice. That's very important to me and to my work. And the law is represented often by the typical scales of justice that you see. And in bankruptcy, you have a situation where one side, the banks, the insurers, the credit card companies, seem to have all the power. They have a lot of resources, they draft the contracts, they extend the credit on their terms. And on the other side, you've got an individual or a small business who's been subjected to all of these terms and got in over their heads, got sick, lost their jobs. And from the face of it, how does that ever work itself out? And the answer is the law. If you have a good lawyer who knows the law, who's committed to fight for your rights, you get justice. And I think also importantly what we want for our clients is for them to be empowered by the process of facing bankruptcy. It's a large body of law that exists to help them. It's an effective weapon against debt, and it can get you a fresh start.
You can do great things with a fresh start.